Hello everyone, this is Minakshi and today I'm taking maths of class 9th lesson number 4 linear equation in two variables. This is the first part of this lesson, that is the introduction. So I am going to introduce this lesson in this part. So that is what is a linear equation in two variable. So linear equation in one variable. Before going to the linear equation in two variable, first we will see what is linear equation in one variable. When an equation has only one variable of degree 1, then that equation is called as linear equation in one variable. So what is given? If any equation is given with one variable and the degree of that variable if 1, then that equation is called as a linear equation in one variable. Now standard form is ax plus b equals to 0. So this is the standard form of linear equation in one variable where ax is given, where a is the coefficient, x is the variable and the degree of x is given 1, plus b is the constant and that equals to 0. Okay. So where a and b are integers and a is not equals to 0. Example 3x plus 9 equals to 0, and one more example 2t equals to 9. So these two are the examples of linear equation in one variable. So here 3 is the coefficient, x is the variable, 9 is the constant. Okay, so this is how the linear equation in one variable example is given. So here you notice that only one variable is given with degree 1, and in this example 2t equals to 5. Here also t is the variable with degree 1, so we can say it is the linear equation in one variable. Then linear equation in two variable. So when an equation has two variables both of degree 1, then that equation is called as a linear equation in two variables. So what is the linear equation in two variables? When an equation is given with two variables and the degree of that both the variables are 1, then that equation is called as the linear equation in two variable. So the standard form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So the standard form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a is the coefficient, x is the variable, plus b is the coefficient, y is the variable, plus c, that is the constant. Okay, so what is the difference between linear equation in one variable and two variable? The difference is that in linear equation in two variable there will be present only one variable with degree 1, where in the linear equation in two variables are present with degree 1. So the examples are 7x plus y equals to 12. So here 7 is the coefficient, x is one variable and y is another variable. For y coefficient is not given, it means here the coefficient will be 1, that equals to 12. Then one more example, 6x minus 4y plus 12 equals to 0. So here 6 is the coefficient, x is a variable, then minus 4 is the coefficient, as the sign is given negative, so we will take the coefficient will be minus 4, where y is the variable plus 12 and 12 is the constant number. Then example 1, write each of the following equations in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. So here we have taken one example. So in this example, what is given? We have to find out the values of a, b and c, and that equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and we have to indicate the values of a, b and c in each case, and where this form is nothing but the linear equation in two variables. So let's start with the first example, that is 2x plus 3y equals to 4.37. So here we have to indicate the values of a, b and c. Then one more example is given, x minus 4 equals to under root 3y, then 4 equals to 5x minus 3y, and then 2x equals to y. So here we have to find out, or we have to indicate the values of a, b and c. So solution is, first question it is given, the equation is given 2x plus 3y equals to 4.37. This can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 equals to 0. So here we want the form of linear equation in two variable, and the standard form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So we can write this equation as 2x plus 3y, and we can transfer this 4.37 to left hand side. Then the positive number will become negative number as we are transferring to the number from right to left. So that is, it will become 4.37, which is equals to 0. So what is left there? Only 0. Now we can indicate the values of a, b and c. So here a is equals to 2, b equals to 3 and c is equals to minus 4.37. So this is how we have to indicate the values of the a, b, c in a given equation. Then example 2, the equation is given x minus 4 equals to under root 3y. This can be written as x minus under root 3y minus 4 equals to 0. So this equation can be written in the standard form of as a linear equation in two variable, that is x minus under root 3y. So this 3 under root 3y we have transferred to left hand side, so sign will get changed. So here it will become minus under root 3y and minus 4 we will write as it is equals to 0. Then here a is equals to 1. As I told you already, if coefficient is not given then the coefficient will be 1. So here a is equals to 1, b equals to minus under root 3 and c is equals to minus 4. Then the next question is, the equation is given to us 4 equals to 5x minus 3y can be written as 5x minus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. So what we did here, we kept 5x minus 3y as it is and we transferred minus 4 to the right hand side. So it will become 5x minus 3y minus 4, that is plus 4 will become minus 4 and that equals to 0. Therefore here a is equals to 5, b is equals to minus 3 and c is equals to minus 4. Then next example, the equation is given 2x equals to y. So this equation can be written as 2x minus y plus 0 equals to 0. Now we have to write this equation in the form of linear equation in two variable, and the standard form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. But here c is not given, so we will consider that c as a 0. So here 2x we will write as it is, we will transfer y to left hand side, so plus y will become minus y, then plus 0, that equals to 0. If we have transferred y to left hand side, then what is left here? 0. So here a is equals to 2, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to 0, as we have taken c as 0. Then example 2, write each of the following as an equation in two variables. So following questions are given, we have to write them as a linear equation in two variable, that is x equals to minus 5, y equals to 2, 2x equals to 3, 5y equals to 2. So this we have to solve. So the solution first is given x equals to 5 minus 5. So now we have to write it in the form of linear equation in two variable. So it can be written as 1x plus 0y equals to minus 5. Now what is linear equation in two variables? So the linear equation in two variables means we want there two variables, but here only x is given in the question, means only one variable is given. So we will consider another variable also whose coefficient we will take as a 0, as the second variable is not given. So here we will write this equation as 1x plus 0y equals to minus 5, or we can write it in the form of 1x plus 0y plus 5 equals to 0. It means this is the constant, and this constant term, that is minus 5, we have transferred to left side, which will become plus 5. Then what is left there? 0. Then the second example, y equals to 2 can be written as, so notice here y equals to 2, here also only one variable term is given, so the another variable term we will take it as a 0, whose coefficient we will take it as a 0, because we want this in the form of linear equation in two variables. So that is 0x plus 1y equals to 2. So we can write here 0x, as x is not given and the coefficient for x we will take 0, then plus y means 1y equals to 2. So this can be also written as 0x plus 1y minus 2 equals to 0. It means we have transferred this plus 2 to left hand side, where it become minus 2. So this is how we have to write the given equation in the form of linear equations in two variables. Then the third is given 2x equals to 3. This can be written as 2x plus 0y minus 3 equals to 0. So what we did here, 2x we kept as it is, y is not given, so that's why we will take it as plus 0y, because 0y is equals to 0 only, and then 3 we have transferred to left hand side, which will become minus 3. Then the next is 5y equals to 2. This can be written as 0x plus 5y minus 2 equals to 0. This is how we have to write the equations in a linear equation in two variables. So thank you for watching this video. I hope the introduction part is understand by you, that what is a linear equation in one variable and what is the linear equation in two variables, and the difference between them also I think you have understand now. So in next part I am going to take the first exercise of this lesson. So thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and even share to my videos also. Thank you so much.